Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to set up KMSpico. First, it is crucial to temporarily disable your antivirus software and Windows Defender, as they might interfere with the installation process. Next, obtain the KMSpico installer from a reliable online source. Once downloaded, extract the compressed file to a convenient location on your computer, preparing it for the next step. Now, let's proceed with the installation. Locate the extracted setup file and run it as an administrator. This ensures the program has the necessary permissions. Carefully follow the on-screen instructions, accepting the license agreement when prompted. For most users, choosing the default installation path is recommended, making the process straightforward and quick. With KMSpico installed, it's time for activation. Launch the application from your desktop or the Start menu. You will see a simple interface, often featuring a large red button. Click this button to initiate the activation process for your Windows or Office products. The tool works quickly, and a success message typically appears within a few seconds, confirming activation. Finally, it is important to verify that your software is activated. Check the activation status in your Windows system settings or within your Office application. Immediately after confirming successful activation, remember to re-enable your antivirus software and Windows Defender to restore your system's security. You may also delete the installer files to free up a small amount of disk space.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.